What's up, you guys? Today is the day we are going to put the Boler back onto this beautifully reinforced frame. We've got a brand new axle, she's got a shiny new paint job, and she's ready to roll. So the task is to put a new floor on the bottom portion of the Boler and then install it and roll it out of here. Seems easy enough. Let's see how much time this is gonna take. Thing of beauty. Oh yeah, I feel good about this. And it's looking solid. I'm excited to see how this drives. Now, my friend is a bit of a welding beast, and he actually ended up getting all of this done while I was away from his property. So, big faux pas, but I got none of this on camera. So this is a grand reveal for both of us. I just rolled up and I'm so impressed with how beautiful this is. And I really feel like this is gonna last a lifetime. I mean, look how beautiful this is. Oh, so nice without the torsion axle. I think this is gonna be a lot more off-road capable. And it's not to say I'm gonna be climbing any more mountains this wild with this thing, but at least I know I can now. And do you remember that ramshackle moment that he was explaining earlier? Look at it now.
Good. 3/4 inch though.
You guys want to know something funny? I'm on woman TikTok, you know, and there was a TikTok about how it's just so hard to find good men. So one easy way is go to the hardware store and find men that shop for certain colors of tools. Yeah. Men that buy green tools, we don't fuck with those men. Men that buy boys. I was like, this is good.
Man, those aren't even that bad of tools.
I don't know if it was green.
You should buy a Ryobi set.
I don't know if it was green for real. I can't remember.
You were actually correct.
Oh.
They're light duty.
It is a lot higher up than it used to be, and I just have an SUV. So let's see. Adjust that. On to the next step. All right, so now that the boulder is rolled into place, we are ready to get started on demo, but that is for the next episode. So for today, we're gonna wrap this one up. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.